everybody, it's Alexandra here at Leisure RV Center DFW. We are a dealership part of Vogt RV World where we house our Day One Service Initiative and enroll our members in our VRV family membership for 12 months on us. Today, right behind me, I have a 2025 Pleasure-Way Plateau XLRB, extra large rear bed. And I'm super excited to show you guys around, so let's waste no more time and let's get started. Come on. So with the Pleasure-Way Plateau XLRB, we're on the Mercedes-Benz chassis, and here we're going to be right on our driver's side. This is what I like to call our utility side or our duty side to be able to get things done. We do have our exterior shower. We have our utility center. This is going to house our 30 amp plug that they have transitioned to the smart cord. Propane shut off, city water fill, all of those fun things. Then down below, we're gonna have our little cubby for our generator. There is a propane generator equipped into this unit. You also have 600 amp hours of lithium power, along with 500 watts of solar up top. You have a 3000 watt inverter, so that's gonna allow you to run that AC off of your batteries for a little while before you need to get that generator kicked on or be plugged into shore power to get that charged back up. So right now we have our AC on outside, or inside, but we are unplugged, obviously. And we have about 82% left, and that's been rolling since about, it's 12 now, so since about like, I don't know, 9 o'clock this morning. So it can go for a long time. Now, let me show you back here because there's some really cool features and why this model is so fabulous and created for our customers. So with their XL lines, you get 3 usable storage compartments. There's going to be 1 on your driver's side and then 2 on your passenger side. However, in this particular model, they created a nice garage space with 3 points of entry. This usage is fabulous and it's ginormous. You can fit chairs in here, portable grills, even some of those collapsible bikes in here. You do have a little cubby over here in this side that's going to connect you into your water. So if you had to turn off a specific water line, whether hot, cold, you can do that right in here. You do still have outlets in here as well. So for like our electrical bikes, if we do the collapsible ones, you can plug it in, charge it up, or anything that you could possibly see fit to go in here. It's great. Now, before we head inside, let's talk about a few things that are here on our passenger side, or like what I like to call our party side. So again, we have those 2 compartments that we can still utilize as exterior storage. The 3rd door to our big garage pass-through. We have a propane outlet, so you can hook up any portable grills, stuff like that as well. And then we also have our Fiamma awning. This is super fabulous, be able to keep it you shaded whenever, and it all happens with just a simple push of a button, like so. Now, if you're looking for something with more of a fixed bed, this is going to be the option for you. So again, we're in the XLRB, extra large rear bed. This is going to give you a true queen bed, 80 inches and 60 inches. So you're actually a true physical queen, which is really nice. And then you also have a 43-inch TV. I love this because even if you're up front doing, hanging out up there, that's where you're going to be eating, stuff like that, you can just flip this right around. Oh, and voila! Now you can watch TV from up front as well. And I'll show you up there. It's really cool. They made like this booth dinette type area, and we'll get to that in just a second. So this unit still doesn't lack storage. You do still have your more shallow storage pockets here. So pens, pencils, charging cords, things like that, little knickknacks that you want to go in there. And then of course we have some over the head storage up above. Down below, we still have additional storage, more of a closet space on your right side. And then here is going to be more of a drawer space. And we'll show you those as well. So you do have, in this size of a unit, you're only sitting 22.9. You still have a lot of storage areas that you can fill up wherever you need to and whatever you want to bring along. So it's super fabulous and a shorter, but kind of a bigger B+. All right, moving over here into our galley space, we do still have a lot of counter space to be able to prep things on. True induction cooktop. They do a nice Corian countertop with the Corian back finish as well. Of course, we have to have our 110 plug for our coffee makers because, trust me, I do not survive without coffee on the go. I love these. Everything looks very sleek, very elegant for something of a Pleasure-Way model that they create. We have our beautiful soft closed drawers with a nice button handle and locks. In this unit, we are equipped with a 28-gallon freshwater tank and a 25-gallon gray tank. So all of that you can see, you have a 10-inch control panel right when you walk into your entryway and a 10-inch control panel right by your bed. It'll show you your battery life, will show you your tank life, your auto gen start for your propane generator, all of those fun things that you just need to be able to utilize and be able to make your coach work. Here on our backside, we do have our Norcold refrigerator with our ice box up top. So have all of your foods in there, cheese, wines, you know, all those fun things. And again, some more additional space right up top for our, I don't know, plates, cups, things like that that we want to take along with us, along with our cabinet space. But the real big shiner here outside of the garage space in the back is going to be behind these doors. So let's show you. So this is amazing to me because again, in a unit that's size, you still have a great spacious. It is a wet bath. I love this because I can still utilize and move my arms around. If I didn't want my toilet to get wet, I can add like a nice tension rod up top, maybe have a shower curtain there to give us that privacy between. I'm a huge fan of black finishes, and they have put this throughout. All of their models will have nice black finishes with the acoustic wall paneling that just really ties everything together. We do have our Corian countertops that they have incorporated into the bathroom as well, so they do not skimp anywhere on their luxury and their sleek finishes. Stainless steel sink. We do have a cabinet for any of our toiletries, stuff like that that can go in here as well. A mirror, you know, because I'd be looking a little crazy right now, so that definitely helped just a bit ago. Towel rack and all of those nice things to make this bathroom just spectacular in a unit of this size. I mean, I am wearing heels. I'm about 6 feet in here, so still have a lot of headspace. It's fabulous. I know that you'll like it. You need to come out and take a look at it, see if you fit. So I love the fact that they put in a booth dinette here just to break away from being in the back with the bed area. You're able to have that different space, different feel in your motorhome. Your driver and passenger seats do turn around, and you actually have another table mount up near your passenger seat. So if you did just want to switch that over, maybe your dogs are laying here, or your little animals that you're taking along, they have that space for them personally. And again, we don't lack storage. We have storage all the way around us, very massive storage, I feel. For things that I would bring along. We have kind of another additional closet space right behind near our entry door. So again, something of this size, it doesn't lack. You can still bring everything that you want to bring. Again, it's just going to go in an organizing fashion. Actually, right above our passenger area, we do have our microwave. It's just going to be a regular microwave. It won't be the convection, but it can still get the job done, still warm up my Jimmy Dean breakfast sandwiches in the morning. So I am perfectly happy with that. So we've made it up here to our Mercedes cab. I think this is a very comfortable cab. I think they do it very well. It has all of our nice creature features, as I've mentioned before. So we have our powered seats, we have our heated seats. I love those, especially for back pain going down the road. You can ask anybody, I am that crazy person that here in Texas, I will still have my heated seats on just to help with that. But we have all of our nice safety features. So the active lane keeping assist, the blind spot assist, pre-collision, everything of those sorts. I will show you those. Pause the video, please, so you can take a look at them now. So we also have our great features right inside of our radio station here. All can be controlled on the right side of our steering wheel. So this is going to be our backup camera. You just hit our little camera button there, and then it'll go back into all of our features. It can be touchscreen, and again, you can control it just right here from the steering wheel as well, where we can get into all of our settings here, get into our Mercedes Me settings, our vehicle settings. I love the info because it does tell me where my voltage is for my chassis battery. Even though my house control panels can tell me that as well, I just like to see it, you know, when I'm driving down the road, or maybe I'm pulling over and need to turn on my vehicle for a quick second. Don't really know why. That's going to tell me a lot of the information and what's consuming it as well. Digital rear view camera. This is spectacular. I think it should be in every RV, and even the ones that we have to do aftermarket. I think it's a grand idea because when you're looking at this and you have this turned off, all you're seeing is from behind you. You can't really see the traffic. Turn it on and you can constantly see the traffic behind you. This is a great safety feature in my opinion. So it's fabulous. I'd love to have you guys come out, and try it out. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch our video today on the Pleasure-Way Plateau XLRB. Drop a comment down below of what your favorite feature was of this model. I'd love to hear about it. While you're down there, like and subscribe down below, so that way you can stay tuned for some more videos down the line. Give us a call for more information on our day one service and our VRV family membership, along with pricing. Thanks so much. Happy camping.